Union Minister Sadananda Gowda is hopeful that railway project in Manipur will be completed 3 months ahead of the stipulated time. Construction of NIT to be completed by 2030. MLA R.K. Anand demands BJP-led NDA government to amend Article 3 of Indian Constitution and give special status to Manipur like Jammu and Kashmir. BJP Manipur Pradesh blamed Congress government for delaying National Sports University even as locals of Khongjom burn effigies of Thaunajin Chauba for instigating shifting of university from the ITB Lopol. And BJP Manipur Pradesh President Khetremayu Bhavananda accuses Congress leaders of nepotism, says 15 years Congress rule has not taken up any welfare program for the people of Manipur. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Penchwam Sangeeta with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Union Minister of Statistics and Program Implementation, D.V. Sadananda Gowda said the railway project in Manipur will be completed 3 months ahead of the stipulated time. Speaking to media persons at Conference Hall, Old Secretariat, South Block, Minister Gowda said he came to the state to inspect Statistical Department, MP Local Area Development Scheme and central government projects. The minister held meetings with the minister and officials of Statistical Department and the MPs of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The minister also said that the construction of NIT at the cost of 2,000 crore rupees will be completed by 2030.
As per the review meeting, we found that it will be completed in advance from the tentative dates of completion which was given by the department, and works in various areas simultaneously it has started and it has geared up well, and they were telling that 3 months in advance they are going to complete this total railway project. The total cost of the project goes to 9,658 crores. NIT is the another major project. Already government has allotted about 341 acres of land, and the total cost will be about 2,000 crores. It will be completed by 2030 according to the schedule. Development is the only answer for all other issues, either it may be political or it may be some other social issue.
Earlier in the day, Minister Sadananda Gowda said a country can only develop when both the centre and the state government take joint responsibility for the central projects. He was speaking at the one-day state-level awareness program on Manipur State Strategic Statistical Plan organized by the Department of Economics and Statistics, Government of Manipur, and was held at the auditorium of the office at Lamphel Path. Union Minister Gowda said development is inevitable if there is accountability, good governance and discipline in the administration. Emphasizing the importance of the department, Union Minister Sadananda Gowda said country's development projects and plannings are implemented keeping in view of the department's reports. The program was attended by State Minister, Economics and Statistics, Moirangthem Okendro, and officials of the department. As part of the event, a report book on statistical data of the state and districts was also released.
Why India is the fastest growing economy in the world? Because we have identified several areas wherein we should take care of. Financial discipline is one of the important areas that we should take care of. We should curb corruption, that is another area. We should bring some stringent laws where we can implement certain things in the larger interest of the people and in the larger interest of the country. I appreciate the government of Manipur that they are fully cooperating for the implementation of MPLADS. 68.5% of the works sanctioned are already implemented by the Manipur government. If you do it 100%, certainly we will be able to release the funds at the earliest.
Congress MLA R.K. Anand today demanded BJP-led NDA government to amend Article 3 of the Indian Constitution. He also said Manipur also deserves special status category like in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. He said BJP must show to the people of the state how it can help in maintaining territory of the state. Nauria Pakhanglampa MLA said BJP must give special status to Manipur instead of repeating statement that it will not compromise on the territorial integrity of the state. MLA R.K. Anand made the statement at a public meeting held at his residence in Kwakaithel in view of the upcoming general election. MLA R.K. Anand also cautioned the public not to trust BJP unless and until the framework agreement signed between the Government of India and NSCN-IM is made public.
Ipai-ipuna thamba Manipur se kanamta thugaibe hak leite habse sei wakhalol se train thamdani Manipur gi makoi Amit Shah oibra natraga Narendra Modi oibra natraga Home Minister oibra moina Manipur gi territorial integrity di kahaloi haiba wafam tawtar ni ngasi phongna India gi constitution gi makhada piriba article 3 se Semdoga Manipur su Kashmir piriba status se samaina toraga kariba boundary question laktar di masa compromise or masa khaido khaichen toraga tuan thugaibe wafam daktar di State Assembly ki ayabi yaudana Manipur miyam ki consensus yaudana tugairoi haibigi wapam se semdo oga Indian Constitution article semdo kadogi hat train sinida. This is my first demand.
BJP Manipur Pradesh President Khetrimayi Bhavananda today accused the Congress government of not doing any welfare programs in the past 15 years. Khetrimayi Bhavananda said the Congress leaders are only interested in development and welfare of their respective relatives. He made the statement at the inauguration of Sagolban Mandal office at Sagolban Takilambam Laikai. BJP Manipur president alleged that the Congress government has collected money from the people and tries to unnecessarily create issues on baseless topics. Khetrimayi Bhavananda even termed Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh as untrustworthy person.
Any policy program any Naga issue a series of incident see lack of wisdom
Speaking at the event, BJP aspiring candidate from the Sagolban constituency, Dr. K.H. Loken said a politician is needed for the constituency who has far vision and who is a trustworthy person. He questioned whether politicians can buy votes from women of the state by inviting them for Ningol Chakoba.
Mamto flooring tologa ina saramba community huagi flooring da paisa panjalaga lauthokpa aina chalamba pukri du da paisa panjalaga lauthokpa madu yaroi Sagolban kendra gi development gi thadharaiba paisa sing ado thadharaiba program sing ado kadai de satkhar bageba aina mi lising ani pijagare chak pijagare ahum pijagare haju dai da nate politics size mi lising ani chak pijaba lising ahum chak pijaba do maduna rajniti oiba taragadi aiga gi chak sang di kamdauba mana bijari de kaya pijagare.
BJP Manipur Pradesh Election Committee convener Thaunajum Chauba today accused the Congress government in the state for delaying the construction of National Sports University. He was addressing media persons at BJP head office in Nitapak Chuthek. Thaunajum Chauba also accused Congress government of violating Land Acquisition Act passed by the Parliament and purchasing the land directly from the owners at Yaithibi Lokol. He also said 60% of the acquired land is farmland. Thaunajum Chauba demanded white paper on the utilization of amount allocated by the centre for the construction of the university. BJP Manipur Pradesh Vice President M. Ashwini Kumar said construction is yet to begin for more than 2.5 years as the government is adamant on constructing the university at Yaithibi Lokol. M. Ashwini Kumar demanded resignation of Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh on moral grounds for delaying in the construction of National Sports University.
Controversy thorakpaduna maram oiraga Jahi ani makai thindarak paneba. Karimta controversy thoktaba kanamta yenadama phamda lamma se tha anihung manung tarukta piramabadi rolising ama so hapamba yai saramaga dawneba. Government of India university sanaba 200 acre talaga demand. Khana na Manipur government handover tokanda 336.93 handover toweb. What is the interest against the law? Lomi singna magi low soe problem tawdana lairing aisha direct purchase to wasu law de yaute.
Meanwhile, members of Khongjom Circle Sports and Development Organization today burned the effigies of Union Sports Minister Vijay Goyal and BJP leader Thaunajum Chauba against the decision to shift the construction of National Sports University from YTB Lokol. The protesters blamed the BJP leaders, including Thonajum Chauwa, for instigating the Union Sports Minister to shift the National Sports University from YTB Lokol. Thambaban MLA and BJP Manipur Pradesh leader of the legislative wing, Khumukcham Joykishan, today accused the ruling Congress party of irregularities in various recruitment process. Speaking at a press meet at BJP Manipur Pradesh office located at Nitapak Chutek, he questioned why the interview was conducted for recruitment of various posts in DIPR department without announcing the written test results. He also reminded people of the Manipur Police Constable recruitment of 2013, which was declared null and void, saying there has been discrepancies in the process. In 2016, a new physical test was conducted and a candidate from the Chief Minister's constituency was selected, despite not meeting the physical fitness criteria, which was widely reported across media. Joykishan questioned the silence of the Chief Minister regarding this issue and demanded appropriate response from the Chief Minister. He also gave example of a candidate who was selected for a post in Sericulture Department without even appearing for the written examination. Joykishan asked if police recruitment of 2013 was cancelled, why not cancel the DIPR 2016 police recruitment process and the Sericulture recruitment process. He also stated that a written complaint will be submitted to the Governor and the Election Commission of India requesting for the cancellation of this unethical recruitment process.
Parikha thaba yaudaba miyoi ma khanjallame haibase aikoi punamakna nainabam thokle election maya naksalakpasidaida tauda yadabani haibagi mawngda paliba government sina nampuda thabak hamnaba aranba mawngda mayam ama chatharakle aduna exam asibu conduct tawribsina khangjen bigadabadi written test ki answer scripting phajana thamjan biu akoi ki BJP government na lakpa matamda koi review loina tawgani moto chap chana koi na madu kayam chumna tawgi ge haibase maramdi masi praja ki interest ni praja mayamna thengkang ga da appeal tawra abanina masi akoi na tawom thoi.
Former Minister and BJP Manipur Pradesh spokesperson Dr. Nimaichang Luang said the current Congress government is in debt. Speaking to media person at his official residence at Majorkul, he stated that the Congress government led by Okram Ibobi Singh is a government that does not pay the labourers on time. He also blamed the government for being unable to take further funds from the central government since it is unable to complete public work on time, unable to provide utilization certificates, and accused government for misusing the funds allocated by the central government. Dr. Nimaichang Luang accused the Congress government of borrowing money from private financial institutions to run the government. He said in this situation, the government is busy recruiting in and around the election time to gain political mileage. However, there will be no funds to provide salary. Also, the cabinet decision to regularize 714 secondary lecturers is for the inconvenience of the next government since it has announced that the payment of salaries from April 2017.
Sarkar ji sendong na khwang koirba miyam gi makha ta na thabuk toba gamlaruba government amani sel purga chalaiba financial institution kaya LIC gumba GIC gumba organization institution kaya ragi paisa purga hujik chalai leri bani muin pangada ba tha ahum khakta ngare matam sida mathang palakada ba government gi awaba phibam da Manipur praja gi wana ba sinba thogong kya chathari hujik thaba hapagi mayam chathari je tolo piningai legidabro tete mathangi lakara government gi awab pinana bani amari Manipur praja gi awab pinaba honaribani.
Aam Aadmi Party state unit in a press release informs to all the members who are willing to contest the 11th Manipur Assembly election to submit their names to the office by November. Nationalist Congress Party NCP has appealed to the people of Manipur to support them in the upcoming general election. Addressing media persons today at Manipur Press Club, NCP National Secretary cum spokesperson Narendra Verma said if the people support them, they will be able to bring change in the state. He further said they are ready for the election and will form alliance with like-minded party.
NCP is always in favor of having an alliance with like-minded parties. Here also, whether it is Congress or even Trinamool Congress. Trinamool Congress also had 7 MLA won last time from Manipur in last assembly election. 7 MLAs. So, Trinamool Congress is also of the same ideology. So, NCP is against BJP.
Nauria Pakang Lakpa Advisory Cum Core Committee and members of Development Coordinating Committee condemned the boycott of Nauria Pakang Lakpa MLA R.K. Anand at Ningombam and said the boycott is called by a handful of people. Nauria Pakang Lakpa Advisory Cum Core Committee and members of Development Coordinating Committee held a meeting along with the locals of Ningombam and the residents of the constituency at the residence of MLA R.K. Anand. Speaking to media persons in connection with the meeting, Nauria Pakang Lakpa Advisory Cum Core Committee spokesperson Laishram Premchand termed the incident as unfortunate and warned to take legal action against those who are trying to defame the MLA.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤꯕ MLA ꯑꯃꯗ ꯌꯨꯝꯐꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕ ꯆꯥꯔꯖ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯞꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕ ꯉꯥꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯉꯥꯡꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯤꯒꯦꯜ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯁ ꯊꯥꯔꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯟꯗꯤ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯞꯇꯨꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯞ ꯇꯥꯖꯔꯦ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯤꯗꯦꯠ ꯆꯪꯍꯟꯕ ꯆꯪꯍꯟꯗꯕ ꯚꯣꯠ ꯈꯣꯝꯕ ꯈꯣꯝꯍꯟꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗ ꯔꯥꯟꯇꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯃꯤꯍꯨꯠ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯉꯥꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯆꯥꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯕꯣꯏꯀꯣꯠ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯔꯤ R.K. Anand ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯤꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤꯗꯨꯅꯦꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯚꯥꯞ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯞꯅꯦ.
Newly constructed idol of Khwairaman Kaithel Konsabi Lairembi was installed at Samumakong today. The event was organized by women of Khwairaman Kaithel, where many people offered their prayers. Women at the Kaithel stated that peace will prevail in the state since Lairembi has been placed in a proper and a permanent location. Titular King Laisemba Sanajauba also attended the event. It may be recalled that earlier the idol of Khwairaman Kaithel Konsabi Lairembi was vandalized for road repairment project. Unknown miscreants tried to loot the recently inaugurated Indian Overseas Bank at Thoubal Bazaar last night. The thieves stole a CCTV monitor and 2 other monitors, but they were unable to steal money as they failed to break open the strong room. Thoubal police took stock of the situation after the staff of the bank filed a report. Police PRO in a press note informs that a team of Imphal West Police Commando and 12 Bihar Regiment apprehended an active cadre of UNPC CTLA from Samurao Moirang Lerak identified as Faiga Gangmai Daithui Po, also known as Chamjungam, age 31, son of late Gaikhang Thuang Gangge of Dwathangjang village. A case has been registered at Wangoi Police Station and investigations are going on. Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Ozal Pain Relief Ointment Khwang naba, kok chikpa, tang chikpa, amadi khu naba na singbada sinaba yarba Ozal Lipsap Group na puthok saba Ozal sinabiyo.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. All Manipur Working Journalists Union today staged a sit-in at Manipur Press Club against the centre's decision to ban news channel NDTV India for a day on 9th of November for covering terror attack on the Pathankot Air Force Base in Punjab. The centre accused the channel of violating broadcast rules. Placards like "Don't suppress freedom of press, why single out NDTV? We stand against ban on NDTV," among others, were displayed. Speaking to media person, President of All Manipur Working Journalists Union, Wanghim Siamjai said, "Ban on NDTV is suppression of freedom of press and the government should revoke their decision." It is worth mentioning here that the Information and Broadcasting Ministry decided to black out NDTV India for a day on 9th of November after the channel was accused of breaching national security laws for airing sensitive information on Pathankot attack. Earlier, Editors Guild of India had also condemned the ministry's decision. This is for the first ever that a news channel has been barred from broadcasting for breaching national security laws in the country.
condemn tawjabani media gi ning tamba ko thinjin bi gano media maning tamna ma gi thabak tahun bi hai basi ko gi phirebni ado Indian Journalists Union working ko gi IGU na su akan ba ko condemn tawi aduna ko ina Indian Journalists Union da appellate tawriba on working Journalists Union su adugumba bar sarkar gi Ministry of Broadcasting lawiba NDTV bu maga sumba magi pau adu phajana coverage tawduna me udugi damakta lakadru tang mapbal asidati pung kumri sumna ko shutdown taruga ko tingjin gini hai base yam kan strongly condemn tawba ko gi working Journalists Union ko gi amjuna aduna si amjugi tawang media housing da leiriba member sing pura masina ko masi nomo gi oiba ko sara protest sinde protest se ko tawjabani.
The Editors Guild Manipur has also condemned the ban put up by the Union government on NDTV Hindi and News Time Assam allegedly on ground of compromising national security. The EGM considers this as an attempt by the government to muzzle the free press and demand that the gag order to be removed. The EGM also supports and shows solidarity with the Editors Guild of India, which has also condemned the move and called it a violation of freedom of the media. The member editors of the EGM to register a protest have also decided to keep the editorials on 9th of November edition blank. All Manipur Working Journalists Union in a press release informs that the results are out for the state-level essay competition held on the topic Housing for All 2022 conducted by All Manipur Working Journalists Union under sponsorship of Manipur Urban Development Agency MUDA. Prize distribution ceremony will be held on 14 November at Manipur Press Club. The Assam has warned to boycott Manipur Sangai Festival beginning from 21st November if a DIG level inquiry is not made on the thrashing of the Assam president in police custody by the 20th of this month. Speaking to media persons, the Assam Secretary General N. Edison said the organization met the Deputy Chief Minister on the 4th of this month to conduct an inquiry on the thrashing of 5 Assam volunteers, including the president. He said the Assam cannot accept the order to an additional SP to conduct the inquiry. He also said the Assam will begin agitation from the 8th of this month.
November ki tang kunma thoidagi haugadoriba Manipur Sangai Festival se the Assamna boycott tobugolana je angamba upai sizinaraga hariba festival se akoina yekhai thingaiba thongani loinana hariba festival sibu yaw lakadoriba malem gi tongan tongan phum singdagi lakadoriba akoi mioi sing sidai Manipur police ki yamna inhuman oiba human rights violation tawbagi custody da mibu ot naibagi thawong se khanghananaba kon desamna sem sagani thawong si mayokta koina hayeng dagi hauraga Manipur gi tongan tongan phum singda democratic oiba khongjang sing koina changsingani.
Parents Association of the Contract Basis Teachers 2010-2011 of the Autonomous District Council Senapati has appealed to the government to solve the issues of Contract Basis Teachers 2010-2011 Autonomous District Council Senapati before announcement of the Election Code of Conduct. Addressing media persons today at Manipur Press Club, co-convener of Parent Association Khotho said, till now 136 contract primary teachers are not paid their salaries. He further accused the state government for conducting stepmotherly treatment to the people of hilly areas. However, on 9th February 2016, the state termed the appointment order of the contract teachers as null and void. Moreover, those teachers could not apply for other jobs as they are over age.
Government khana masi shoiriba lan liba makoi duda action se lobby da duna aikoi gi chingi angang khoi bo sumaina mahang bu de aikoi ipai ma se angang khoi na amama torusu aikoi dai puja bang amo haima tunda amama tholobsu masi di government gi dai ni na aikoi parents side gi dum haibuni adu kari gumbada makoi ni na government na ADC khoi na tauri basi makoi na lalle hena government na lobo taraf di seng na lobo taraf di makoi ni mata ta yama thubada action lobby.
Kaboi Dharma Sabha Manipur in a press release informs that the remembrance program of the Kaboi Salang Maiba will be held on 14 December at Sugnu Makhalekai Community Hall. Villagers of 19 villages affected by the Mapithil Dam staged a protest demanding materialization of the RR agreed with the government. The protester went down the areas of Chadongkhul inundated by the dam water to protest. Placards Aikoi Gi Pukchak Thadat Piganu, Achan Mirai Naiba meeting Thambiganu, Ekoigi Hak Panghalu were displayed by the protesters. Upon Banupilup Nambol Khathong appealed to the concerned authorities to repair 4-kilometer stretch road from Nambol to Waheng Khuman at the earliest. Addressing media persons today at Manipur Press Club, Secretary of the Apunbanupi Loop, Nambol Khathong and Satyamala said the Waheng road is in pathetic condition, and on 16 October they dug up the road and blocked the road. Police personnel came and promised that the road will be repaired from 25th of October. And Satyamala further said the concerned authority again failed to turn up, and they finally decided to block the road from 6 November until it is not repaired by the authorities.
Date 5 sibau the moina tauraktre thabakse tauraktabadege khoi ngarang si tarik taruk sida khoi je amuk lambi je tauthuga thingba thambani thingba thambasida police na la kanda amuk soi khoi je amwa thingba thambira me moina lambi je tauthok piranu khola no nya de yana da bada de khoi khoi sauna ba praja sing hai tare lambi sida khoi yamna thawai ji sokna raba mi khunja sing imai ben sing mayam sing nai khoi haudaba ya de na conference sida khoi Pongdok Zaraga, Pari Lena Bati Pamen Sing Nam Yang Zangbina Vaikoje, Tang Zangsinzaki, Tauzapu.
8th death anniversary of Samaralapam Ongbi Mema Devi was observed today, organized by S. Mema Devi Memorial Trust. The observance was held at Old Age Home at Mongsangai. S. Mema Devi Memorial Trust distributed gifts to around 25 elderly persons at the home. The trust also distributed monthly pension of 100 rupees each to the elderly persons. Speaking to media persons, S. Mema Devi Memorial Trust Secretary Sukhdev Sharma said the trust will supply drinking water throughout the year to the home. In the 4th league match of the Hunger Marchers Kendra Wise above 50 and 60 years League Cum Knockout Kang tournament, Kasamthong Kendra Kangkut defeated Yai School Kendra Kangkut 12-9. Oinam Kendra Kangkut will meet Kundrapam Kendra Kangkut tomorrow. 9 Kangkuts are competing in the tournament organized by Ibudho Moirang Pokpa Kang Committee at Ibudho Moirang Pokpa Kang Sang. Nambol Mapal Cultural Organization, Imphal and FC Zalian Sadar Hills won their respective match of the 11th Manipur State League played at Kumalam Park Artificial Turf. In the 61st League match, Nambol Mapal Cultural Organization, Imphal defeated United Sports Association Kurai 2-1. T.H. Mothuchandra netted the winning goals for the winner, while in the 62nd match, FC Zalian Sadar Hills trounced Sogolban United 2-0. NG Bidenpar and Lamgao Len netted 1 goal each for FC Zalian. Southern Sporting Club Sinjamai will play North Imphal Sporting Association Thamiban, while Trukpur Nambol will play Neroka FC Sangapam tomorrow. With that, it's a wrap in this edition of Primetime English News. Before we end, a look at the headlines once again. Union Minister Sadananda Gowda is hopeful that railway project in Manipur will be completed 3 months ahead of the stipulated time. Construction of NIT to be completed by 2030. MLA R.K. Anand demands BJP-led NDA government to amend Article 3 of Indian Constitution and give special status to Manipur like Jammu and Kashmir. BJP Manipur Pradesh blames Congress government for delaying National Sports University even as locals of Khongjom burn effigies of Thanazun Chawwa for instigating shifting of university from Yaikini Lokol. And BJP Manipur Pradesh President Khetramayu Bhavananda accuses Congress leaders of nepotism, says 15 years Congress rule has not taken up any welfare program for the people of the state.